I've yet to meet one person that doesn't like butter chicken. Let me show you how to easily make it at home all in one pot. It all starts with the marinade. Yogurt keeps your chicken juicy and gives it a nice sear. I urge you to make your own ginger garlic paste for this recipe. By using chicken thighs, we're going to keep everything super tender. Once your chicken is golden brown and cooked through, we're going to use that same pan for the sauce. Don't you dare wipe that flavor off the pan. Everything good in the world starts with a little bit of butter, onion, and ginger garlic paste. Tomatoes, spices, and cashews will bring this sauce together. Now make sure to blend up your sauce. I prefer my buttered chicken smooth and creamy. Speaking of creamy, finish it off with some heavy cream or coconut milk, along with more butter. Of course, this dish wouldn't be complete with some garlic naan doused in butter. Don't you dare order takeout tonight. Just save this recipe and make it. Trust me, you won't regret it. Let me know what other Indian takeout dish you want to see next.